Hey guys, Stefan Fischer here from AllOffroad. As you can see, cruiser in the background, I'm here at the Solve Off-Road workshop in Glendenning, and I'm quite excited because a few parcels arrived yesterday from PJ's Off-Road. Among them is my 300M rear axles for the Landcruiser and my upgraded splined hubs. So I want to show you today how that's all going to be put into the cruiser.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's nice, that.
Happy with their workmanship?
Yeah, I mean, look at it, it's spot on, so really good. And that's what you're really gaining here. That spline, that internal spline in here, and that spline there, once they lock in together, it removes the load from the studs. So you're no longer driving through your axle, into your drive flange, into your stud to rotate your wheel and your hub. Takes that load off and puts it through the spline.
Beautiful.
Just means that drive flange, it's using everything. You know what I mean? It's adding another part to the system, but that part is a lot stronger than a set of studs, basically. So just removes the less chance of those studs failing, giving you grief, especially where you go.
Beautiful. I shouldn't break that.
If you break that, you got some serious issues, brother. Yeah, no, that's cancelling out a lot of issues. And I mean, these cars do it. The load, the weight, you know, front end drive, they wear out the drive flanges in the front end, especially in the front end, and they do stud damage in the back. So that's why I sort of said probably one of the best little options you can do.
Yeah, you actually put me onto that.
Yeah,
yes,
that's it. Like
originally.
We've been fixing, since I was an apprentice, we were fixing those setups, you know what I mean? But we never had this available to us. So as soon as I had seen the good people at PJ's there putting a good little kit together, it was worth it, I thought. So especially for you, like, look, if you're running around the road, you just do a bit of touring, you know, not required, not necessary, but anyone that's doing a lot of dirt road work, you know, putting a bit of impact through their car, or their car is heavier than stock, like, you know, as soon as you get into heavier weights, that's harder on those studs, simple fact. So that's where this will come into play massively. And the business cards.
300M axles.
And this is a rare sight over here. First of all, someone that knows what 300M is.
So I should really never break these axles, shouldn't I?
You break these axles, you've got some wicked horsepower in a 1HD FTE, that's for sure.
You guys deal a lot with race trucks, and obviously in your spare time and so on, you're all racing for quite some time. So you had a good look now at the stuff from PJ's Off-Road. What do you reckon? Yeah,
it's bang on. It's beautiful bits of gear. It's all, like, the fit's nice, it goes together really well. Tolerance seems spot on.
Not just whack the stuff in, everything gets a super thorough clean.
Yep, make sure it's spotless.
So that's
it's the wheel bearing adjuster
for the cruiser. No tool at hand, one done. Oh, he tricked the handle, nice.
Yep. In further, but it can't float.
It can't float in any further.
Yeah. And it has a huge long spine. hear back from them.
Thanks for watching, guys, and thanks a lot for PJ's Off-Road for making these patent pending little modification which you really never will see and probably never will hear about again, at least from my end, because that's never gonna break. It is a good little mod making a already very good touring vehicle even more reliable.